Supermaven Review. How good is this AI coder? So let's talk about its strengths and what makes it stand out. So first, the massive context window and the deep code understanding. It has up to a million token context window. It achieves this via a custom neural architecture. It also offers a lightning fast performance. It has a marked context awareness, which is a very smart and high tech. It also has a strong IDE support, and they offer privacy sensitive design, although there are some limitations and where it could improve. So it offers the feature depth, which is more focused on other things instead of the code completion. And there are some onboarding and transparency issues. The subscription also has some challenges and it may be expensive. And there are some variable experience in the practice. So overall, Supermaven is an impressive AI coding assistant, especially for developers handling large code bases who value speed, precision, and personalized suggestions. It's the massive context, awareness, low latency, and strong privacy stance, making it stand out among AI tools. However, it's still growing in maturity, so if you need a broader range of features, then choose something else.